much. Hey team. Hey fam.
So we'll tell them what we did today.
Hey fan base. Fan. Hey fam. Okay. Yeah, tell us.
So
we should have vlogged about us earlier.
Yeah, we should have. Sorry. We
My
went.
voice is so deep.
So we were just at a cafe, and I got this new book last night, and I really like it. And Caeli was on her computer. Oh, this one would have been good.
This one's so cute.
We can go back, and then
wait, can we take a picture so we don't? Oh my god! And it's gay
one.
pride.
It's the one that we wanted. That I stopped at.
So then we found a cafe, and it took us like a while to find. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, we were walking for ages, and we came from the National Gallery. We were there this morning.
It was actually, they had some great paintings, but there were so many
kids.
Yeah, there were so many people. There was like 10 children's groups. Like, we don't want to see these children while we're trying to look at like beautiful paintings.
Yeah,
you know?
but I enjoyed the art a lot.
Yeah, but the children aren't enjoying the art, so why are they there? I don't understand. They're just loud and obnoxious.
Yeah, but it was a great day.
Yeah, we saw the flowers from Vincent van Gogh.
Yeah, the sunflowers.
Yeah, so that was pretty swag money.
And now I'm taking the bus back, but Caeli has no money, so she's gonna walk.
Yeah,
They have the best crepes ever.
Yeah, it was like a chocolate cafe. Like, it wasn't just like a normal cafe. Like, they specialized in Italian chocolate, so everything was so chocolatey, and I like died because I don't like chocolate, but like it's fine. Tonight we're going to Canary Wharf, and we're gonna do a bunch of stuff.
We're not gonna do a bunch of stuff. We're literally gonna eat because it's a finance center.
Yeah, and then we're gonna go back.
Great.
Hey vibes.
So we
team
are at
fam.
Canary Wharf, and it's so pretty. Show them. Well, you're not showing it, Caeli. It's so like clean here. It gives me like city vibes. We listened to Try Everything on the way out of the tube station because when I came here yesterday, I felt like that scene in Zootopia where she is going into the big city.
With Judy.
Yeah, Judy.
It's like it's basically this man-made land, and it's like completely surrounded by water.
I have my backpack because we're gonna read, so I brought 3 books.
Yeah, she's gonna read 3 whole books over here.
So we found this little patch, and we have a great view. It's so pretty. I actually love it here. I would so live here if like it wasn't so far from everything else. So pretty. So now we're walking and we want to try and find McDonald's. Caeli wants to go play mini golf. We did not end up reading. Caeli was resting.
Did you not read?
I didn't read. I was writing my journal the whole time. And I wrote a letter to myself because I was feeling very happy. So I thought I'd save that moment. I just was really thinking about life. I had a whole moment. I was like, I love life. And I listened to music.
I slept. They were like secondhand, but
Oh, sorry, you can't just there.
No.
So close.
you're supposed to tap it, love.
What do you mean?
You're not supposed to like drag it. Hey.
Yeah, I'll do that one. Ugh.
Rear.
Caeli's trying to get in one. Whoa! Oh my god! I could have bounced into there.
Yeah, that was the goal.
Yeah. Oh no! Yeah.
Yeah.
4 seems to be my number.
Yeah. We'll do it one-handed. Ready?
Oh my god! Did it go in?
Oh my god! It was so close. Oh! Yours was close too. Oh no! Make sure. No, Nicole! You're too impatient.
I am too impatient.
I want to get it in one.
You think I see? No, did it go in? Oh.
Oh! That was so good! Nice one. Hey, this is hard.
I got it. I give up.
Go put it in the hole.
Okay. Yeah! So we were on the train and they stopped it. And they said that
So scary.
yeah, and they said that there was some like suspect package in the Waterloo area. So we were on there for like 20 minutes and it was hot AF. And then they were like, okay, we're taking the train back the other way because there's like a safety like alert.
And we're gonna see if the McDonald's in the UK is like better or worse.
Yeah. Oh, well, I said trying, I meant like if they had different things. Because usually
What do they do? Oh, the McDonald's
Oh, yeah.
are like different.
Yeah, but also, it was scary AF. Like, I thought we were gonna die low-key.
Yeah, and oh my god, no one's allowed to go in anymore. Like, we were the last train.
Yeah.
So.
Like, they were like blocking it off, so. Okay, so we're sitting at this bench. And we got chicken nuggets and we got McFlurries. I already ate mine. Caeli was on a, actually.
You ate yours?
Yeah, I finished
I
it.
didn't try it.
Sorry, you've had it though. It just tastes like normal. But. So our conclusion is Hong Kong has the best McDonald's. So the chicken nuggets were actually the worst chicken nuggets I've ever had. They taste like weird. We didn't even finish them. And we bought a whole pack of 20, which shows you how bad they are, because I would usually eat them all. What are your thoughts on the ketchup?
And we, oh my, the ketchup was worse than the nugget. We gave them to the chickens.
You did.
I gave them to the chickens. I mean, not the chickens, to the pigeons. Did I say pigeons in the first place? I don't remember. Anyway, so that's cannibalism. Yay! Live, love, cannibalism. She's made me play music because she literally just stole my headphones. Like, anyways, now she's cleaning up. So are we gonna throw out their trash too?
Yeah, just do it.
Ugh, I don't want to. Why didn't they throw out their own trash?
Yeah, I don't know.
So when we came, there was trash on the seat. Like, come on, community. Get with it. Anyway, I think she's gonna murder me if I don't
Just
play her some music. So that guy was kind of weird. Kind of just came over and sat down. Like,
We can stop vlogging, you know.
why? Huh?
We're not doing, I'm gonna
I didn't appreciate that. Oh my god, she's psychotic. Please help. Now she's chasing after flowers. We already have flowers. Why does she want more? She just wants to look at them. Okay. Wow, so pretty.
Okay.
Look, they have no tulips. I guess it's not tulip season.
Yeah. Carnations are also my favorite.
Oh wow, she knows her favorite flower.
Hey vlog, so we're eating dinner out here on this really pretty rooftop garden, and Caeli's sad. So I'm playing her my favorite sad songs because she says all the music I listen to is sad. So we're listening to some Phoebe out here, and we're just listening to Lizzie. Caeli, you want to tell them why you're sad?
Something didn't work out.
She cannot say what, but it is regarding work. Well, I said it's not possible to be sad with such a beautiful view. Look at it.
So I was going on a depressing walk around the building, and like, yeah, it's beautiful, it's beautiful. And then you turn the corner and it hits you.
When it goes down in like a few minutes,
It's
gonna be
so pretty. So pretty. Oh my god. Ugh. Okay.
I really want eggs and yellow right now.
Do we have any more?
No. Think we can order? This is so gross. Okay, I got it.
Nice.
Ew,
I
it's
just
gross.
don't find some antibacterial wipes.